Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, The Vix, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to write a C++ program that displays the first three multiples of any positive number. Yes, any positive number. But before starting, I want to say that did you watch this video? Yeah, you see there? Yeah, it's about the secrets of preventing from coronavirus. Because I provided this video because you are the most important for me. You people, you guys, everyone who have viewed my channel or viewed my videos or saw my videos, watched my videos, whatever. You are my main motive, and I provide every video for you guys. So I want to be safe. I want you to be safe. So that is why I provided this video. So please watch this video and be safe. That's all I can say. So let's start it. I shouldn't be speaking much now. Yeah. So let's start with text editor. So let's open our text editor. And also I want to give you a tip. If you use any IDEs for that's a background sound. Don't don't sorry for that background noise. Yeah. So if you use IDEs, that's okay. That's totally fine. But I mostly prefer for using text editor because in text editors you can modify features and also you can remove them, right? But in IDEs there are a bunch of functions or features in which you don't you don't even use. So I prefer you should be using IDE these text editors. So text editor like the Atom, Gear, like Visual Studio Code, they are the best text editors I can say. Now everyone is using. You can even use Sublime text editor. Yeah, these are all text editors used by most programmers. But this one is a basic, text editor named as Z. So this is the basic Linux text editor. So yeah, that's what I just want to say, that using text editor is the most preferable. So let's start. I'm talking too much, right? So include IO stream. First I should be choosing plain text because these statements are not being highlighted. So as I choose C++, you'll be seeing these are highlighted. Yes. So yeah, using names. Yeah, space std ing main and yeah. Okay, I gave it too much space. Yeah. So and in this program we will be using four variables, one for getting input from the user and the other three for for storing the product of three different multiples. I'll be showing you how. So all these will be int, which is integer values, and yeah, and this one will be used for getting input from the user, and the other three to store the value of the multiples. So what P1, P2 or P3 stands for? Well, these stands for product 1, product 2 and product 3. Okay, so now input processing now. So enter, sorry, enter the number to find its first three multiple. Yeah, this statement is cool one. You can even write this one, enter the number, but I'm just writing so long string, because just it's a demonstration how to write that. So yeah, I'm showing you just I told you that this statement will be asking the user to input any number. So now moving on to the processing part. Okay, always remember this one is the input PART part. This one is the input part. Yeah, okay, and this one is the processing part, as I will be mentioning it. P1, and again, sorry for that background. If you're hearing anything, sorry for that background, man. Background noise. Yeah. So 1 P2 equals to n P2. Yeah, everything fine. And 3. Yeah, these are okay now. So these were the processing part, and I'll be giving comments. Okay, never forget these are comment lines, okay, which are like self-explanatory lines, and compiler never executes these lines. If they see this /, they never execute this line. They only execute this statements. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention one thing. And also, I'll be making another video on these statements, okay? This include stream, what does they really mean, and their mechanisms. Another video I'll be making, separate video I'll be making for them. So don't worry if you don't understand what they mean, but yeah, I'm sure that I'll be making another video for that. Yeah. So the first 3 multiples are, yeah, oh, I forgot. So P1, as it will be storing the first multiple and separated by a comma. Yes. P2, which is P2 and separated by a comma, and P3, yeah, and then end the end line. Yeah, it ends the line and pushes to the next console. Even this one, I'll be explaining it to you very, like in a very detailed way, but not today, because I can't cover all of those things in this video. So I'll be making every separate video. I told you that, but even though I'm telling you, I'll be making separate video explaining all these statements, because these are called statements. Remember that. Yeah, the program has been finished now, as this one and this one indicates the starting of a program, and this one says that this is the end of the program. And now I will save the file. To save the file, sorry for that background noise again, sorry for that. So to save the file, go to File, then Save As, and a dialog box will be appearing on the screen in this way. Oh, forgot, that's what. Okay. Can you pause this? I saw an encoding preset on my desktop. Sorry for that. Pausing the video. I'm pausing the video for a short while, okay? And resuming it. Yeah. Is everything okay? I don't know is everything okay or not, but yeah, I'm trying to do that. So save as, Yeah, I'll be naming it as multiple.cpp, and choose the location where you want to save the file. I'll be saving my files. I always save my files at desktop, so yeah, desktop will be the best option. And now save the file. Yeah, and the file has been saved. So you're done halfway through and compiling. So to compile the file, open the terminal. You can open the terminal in this way, but you know you have to write cd desktop for it and change the directory, because since you have saved the file out here and this is my file multiple.cpp on desktop, yeah, I saved the file in my desktop, so I changed my directory to desktop. But there is another way to open it this way. Right click on your mouse and open in terminal. See what it does. Desktop. Shortcut way, man. So yeah, now type this. Yeah, and the real name. What this command does is that it makes an object code file of named as R of this file, which is the source code file, and that's what it does. And also it checks that if there is any error in the program or not. It only does that. So let's press enter. Let's see, it's just checking for any errors that they are not, and it's successfully been compiled. Now let's run it. I should run it. And to run this thing, just press dot and forward slash. Oh, sorry, forward slash, and the name you have given as R. You can give any name to this. Even you can name this one as multiple, but I'm naming it as R since this would be, you know, convenient for me. So again, press enter, and this is what had been showed as I've written here. Enter the first number, enter the number to find its first three multiples as it's been shown here. So enter the number. So I'll be entering 3, and the multiples are, yes, I like this. So this is the program. I hope you like this program, right? So yeah, that's only for today, and I think yeah, this program is really, you know, like good one. And in a later video I'll be teaching you how to find first 100 multiples of any number by using an array, but not today, but any other day. Yeah, because I have not taught you about an array, how to use arrays. So yeah, I'll be covering arrays and functions and the data structures even, but that's for later. So for now, this is only the thing. Oh, I forgot. Don't go. Okay. Forward slash. I told you that I'll be mentioning comments. Yeah. And these are the comments. So yeah. I think will be enough for me. I think you won't need any comments. Well, yeah, I will show you. This would be the processing part. Yeah, and yeah, I'll be showing you this processing part. Yeah, and this is the output part. Remember, PUT output part. yeah, this is the thing. These are the things. So yeah, I hope that this video made sense to you, and also be safe, stay at home, and take care of yourself. Yes, because it's really important to take care of yourself. Yeah, and thank you for watching this video. And also, if you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel and also click that bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video, because I'm gonna bring these type of videos on computer science so that you could understand what computer science is. And also I'll be providing gaming videos and other even fun videos, right? So yeah, I'll be providing each and every part of the world. It might be. So thank you again for watching. See you next time. Bye.